By the end of this week, Pierce County will lose 1/4 of its hospital beds that help people with mental and psychiatric emergencies. King 5's Jenna Hanchard tells us why this could be a blow to a county already struggling to provide mental health care to those in need.
Pierce County, there's a shortage of beds to help the mentally ill. Several Pierce County leaders have talked to King 5 over the past year about the need to address the growing mental health crisis.
We haven't done enough work upstream so that we can catch and divert people before they're in crisis.
County leaders are trying new programs, including funding for a mobile intervention team to reduce the number of people with mental illness who call 911 and need to get help. County, city, and local hospitals have all put in money to build a new inpatient facility for those in crisis. But this week, a new blow. Pierce County will lose 1/4 of its beds used for mentally ill patients. They were here at Western State Hospital, where an organization called Telecare leased out a space.
It's just a tragedy, frankly, that we couldn't come up with a solution.
We talked to Senator Steve O'Ban by phone today. He heads up the state's mental health committee, and he wishes this story could have been different.
Losing a quarter of our inpatient beds is only going to increase dramatically the number of people who will wait for those beds in emergency rooms in Pierce County.
The State Department of Social and Health Services needed to make room for an influx of psychiatric patients charged with crimes waiting for evaluation at Western State. They told Telecare they would need to find someplace else for their patients when their lease was up.
They have to wait and wait and wait because there are fewer beds available. They'll decompensate. Their mental illness will get worse. It will be harder and take longer to restore them.
In addition to the emergency rooms, leaders say the county jail has turned into the dumping ground for those with mental health issues.
There's people that I see in here that I see more than my family members. So they're just in and out of the system.
Last year, we got a rare look inside of the jail where corrections officers say they are strapped dealing with the increase.
It's really, from beginning to end, a systemic problem.
And just last week, Jessica Wolf with the American Civil Liberties Union of Washington says it filed a class action lawsuit against Pierce County, claiming Pierce County refuses to provide necessary treatment for inmates with mental illness in the county jail. That's why state leaders like O'Ban say losing the few beds they already have to treat people before they get worse could be a temporary setback. In Pierce County, Jenna Hanchard, King 5 News.